Okay, this is Stacy on the Sig P226. Take it away.
All right, Aidan, come here.
Let's see what she hit. Hey, not bad. One in the black.
Don't put your hand on this yet, because it's already loaded. Finger up here. Nope, 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 nope. You gotta put your arm right here. Nope, nope. This goes around the bottom. So what you're trying to do is snuggle it like this. Okay? Now, I'm going to shoot the first one with you, okay? Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. You feel all right?
Yeah, that's a little bit.
You want me to do it with you?
Yeah.
Take your finger off of that if you're not shooting, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
That's a lot of recoil.
Yeah. You want to do it by yourself or you want me to do it again?
I don't know.
It's up to you.
Let him try to squeeze the trigger and you can just hold his hands
Okay.
underneath.
Pull it.
It's got some kick, doesn't it, buddy?
That's okay.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah? All right, let me finish it up.
Mother and son shooting in the
Jeez,
backyard. Yeah, walk behind her next time.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is a loaded gun. And you're out.
And I'm out.
Let's take a look at the target. Mother and son did very well.
Woohoo! At least I hit the target.
Wait to see.
When we were at the Sig Sauer class, I didn't hit too much of it. Look at that one.
Yeah. Nice.
Good job.
Yay!
All right.